A faceless YouTube channel about space facts uploaded 3 videos last week and made $847 from ad revenue. No person on camera, no expensive equipment, just voiceovers, stock footage, and smart editing. The creator runs 5 channels like this and pulls in over $6,000 monthly while working maybe 20 hours a week total. YouTube automation channels are quietly making people serious money in 2025, and today I'm showing you exactly how to build one from nothing using 5 clear steps. Step 1. Understanding YouTube automation and picking your profitable niche. Let me start by explaining what YouTube automation actually means, because there's some confusion around this term. YouTube automation is when you run a YouTube channel without being the face of it. You're not on camera. You don't record yourself talking. Instead, you use voiceovers, either your own voice or AI voices, and you combine that with stock footage, animations, or simple graphics to create videos. The automation part comes from outsourcing the work or using tools to speed up the process. Some people hire freelancers to write scripts, do voiceovers, and edit videos. Others do everything themselves but use AI tools to make it faster. Either way, you're building a channel that doesn't depend on your face or personality. Channels doing this successfully include space and science explainers, true crime stories, money-making, history facts, luxury lifestyle content, mystery and conspiracy topics, animal facts, and productivity tips. These niches work because people watch for the information and entertainment, not because they care who's presenting it. When you are picking your niche, don't just pick something random. You need a niche that has 3 things. High demand, meaning people are actively searching for this content. Good ad rates, meaning advertisers pay decent money to show ads on these videos. And evergreen content, meaning your videos stay relevant for months or years, not just days. Do some research before committing. Go on YouTube and search topics you're interested in. Look at channels with 50,000 to 200,000 subscribers. Check their video views. If they're getting consistent views on every upload, that's a healthy niche. If their views are all over the place, it might be too competitive or too random. Step 2. Creating your first video without fancy tools or skills. The biggest barrier people face is thinking they need expensive software and professional skills. You really don't. You can create your first automation video with completely free tools and basic effort. Here's the simple process. First, you need a script. This is just the words that will be spoken in your video. You can write it yourself or use ChatGPT to help generate ideas and structure. For a 10-minute video, you need roughly 1,300 to 1,500 words. Let's say your niche is space facts. Your first video might be titled 10 Mind-Blowing Facts About Black Holes. You write or generate a script covering 10 interesting facts with explanations for each one. Keep the language simple and engaging. Write like you're explaining it to a friend. Next, you need a voiceover. You have 2 options. Record your own voice using your phone or computer microphone, or use an AI voice generator like 11 Labs or Murph. Then you need visuals. This is where people get stuck, but it's actually the easiest part. Go to sites like Pexels or Pixabay. These have thousands of free stock videos and images you can use legally. For a black hole video, search for space footage, galaxy videos, cosmic visuals. Download 10 to 15 clips. Now you edit everything together. Use free software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Both are completely free and have everything you need. You import your voiceover. You layer the stock footage on top, matching visuals to what's being said. You add some background music from YouTube's free audio library. Add simple text overlays for key points. Your first video might take you 8 to 10 hours to make because you're learning. That's normal. By your 5th video, you'll do it in 3 to 4 hours. By your 20th video, maybe 2 hours. The process gets way faster as you build templates and workflows. Step 3. Optimizing your videos to actually get views. You can make the best video ever, but if nobody finds it, you get 0 views and 0 money. This is where most automation channels fail. They ignore optimization. Optimization means making your video easy for YouTube's algorithm to understand and recommend. It starts with your title and thumbnail. Your title needs to be clear, interesting, and include keywords people actually search for. Your thumbnail needs to stand out. Bright colors, big bold text, intriguing image. Next is your description. YouTube reads your description to understand what your video is about. Write a clear description using relevant keywords. Tags matter less than they used to, but still add them. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find relevant tags. These tools have free versions that show you what tags similar videos are using. The first 48 hours after uploading are critical. YouTube tests your video with a small audience. If people click on it and watch most of it, YouTube shows it to more people. If people click away quickly, YouTube stops promoting it. This is why your thumbnail and first 10 seconds need to be super engaging. Also, video length matters for ad revenue. Videos over 8 minutes can have mid-roll ads, which means more ad breaks and more money. Most successful automation channels aim for 10 to 15-minute videos. This length is perfect for keeping people engaged while maximizing ad opportunities. Step 4. Monetizing your channel and understanding the money. This is what everyone wants to know. When do you actually start making money? And how much can you realistically earn? To join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. For most automation channels posting consistently, this takes 4 to 8 months to achieve. My friend's mystery channel hit monetization in 6 months by posting 3 videos per week. Once monetized, he made $180 his first month from ads. That gradually increased as his older videos kept getting views and his subscriber count grew. YouTube ad revenue varies wildly by niche. Educational content, finance, and tech topics pay the most, often $5 to $15 per 1,000 views. Entertainment and general content pays less, maybe $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. This is called RPM, or revenue per milla. Let's do some realistic math. If your videos average 10,000 views each and your RPM is $5, that's $50 per video. Post 3 videos a week, that's $150 weekly or $600 monthly. As your channel grows and older videos keep getting views, this compounds. Channels with 100,000 subscribers in good niches often make $2,000 to $5,000 monthly from ads alone. The key is consistency and patience. Your first 3 months, you'll make nothing. Months 4 to 6, maybe you'll hit monetization and make 100 or 2. Months 7 to 12, if you keep posting quality content, You could be making $500 to $1,500 monthly. After a year of solid work, $2,000 to $4,000 monthly is realistic for channels that stuck with it. Step 5. Scaling your channel and building systems. Once you have one successful video formula, you scale it. This means creating more content faster and potentially starting additional channels. Some creators start hiring freelancers once they're making decent money. You can find scriptwriters on Fiverr or Upwork for $10 to $20 per script, voice actors for $15 to $30, video editors for $30 to $50 per video. If one video costs you $60 to produce and makes $150 over its lifetime, that's $90 profit per video without you doing the work. And creators use this model to run multiple channels. They apply the same formula to different niches. One channel about space, another about history, another about true crime. Each channel compounds the income. 3 channels each making $1,500 monthly is $4,500 total. The people making serious money from YouTube automation, we're talking $10,000 to $20,000 monthly. They're running 3 to 5 channels with teams of freelancers handling most of the work. They spend their time managing the operation, analyzing what's working, and planning content strategy. So that's how you start a YouTube automation channel from scratch. If it helped you see the real path forward, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe for more honest content about building online income without the hype. Tell me in the comments what niche you're thinking about for your automation channel.